In this lecture, we will discuss a problem in the topic canonical form of hyperbolic equation. We can discuss one more problem regarding the canonical form of a hyperbolic equation. So consider the equation uxx minus 2 sin x into uxy minus cos square x into uyy minus cos x into uy equals 0. Find a coordinate system s equal to s of xy, t equal to t of xy that transforms this equation into canonical form. Show that in this system the equation has the form wst equal to 0 and find the general solution of this equation. Okay, so first we have to convert this equation into its canonical form, and thus we have to find this general solution of this equation. Okay, let this be number 1. Now we can solve here from this equation. We have a equal to the coefficient of uxx 1, 2b equal to minus 2 sin x, that is b equal to minus sin x, and c equal to coefficient of uyy, which is minus cos square x. Therefore b square minus ac is nothing but b square is sin square x minus a into c, so plus cos square x, so which is equal to 1, which is greater than 0. Therefore the equation 1 is hyperbolic. Okay, now the characteristic equations are given by dy by dx is equal to b plus or minus square root of b square minus ac divided by a equal to b is minus sin x plus or minus square root of b square minus ac is nothing but which is 1 divided by a is 1, so which is minus sin x plus or minus 1. So this is dy by dx equal to minus sin x plus or minus 1. So this implies we'll get two differential equations. One is dy by dx equal to minus sin x plus 1, and dy by dx is equal to minus sin x minus 1. So solving this we get y equal to cos x integral of minus sin x, so cos x plus x plus some c1. So from this we can write uh, cos x plus x minus y equal to, so minus c1, and from this integrating this we get y equal to cos x minus x plus some c2. So we have cos x minus y equal to c2. So we can choose our required functions. S of xy is equal to, or new functions, s of xy equal to cos x plus x minus y, and t of xy is equal to cos x minus y. Now we can find the partial derivatives of this s and t. uh, sx sx equal to minus derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus 1, sy is equal to minus 1, tx is equal to minus sin x minus 1, ty equal to minus 1. Now define w of s comma t, which is equal to a u of x of y, x and x comma y. So we have to find the partial derivative of u with respect to x and y. So first ux is equal to, we have ws into sx plus wt into tx, so which is equal to wcs into sx. Sx is 1 minus sin x, so 1 minus sin x into ws plus tx is this, so minus 1 plus sin x into wt. So this is ux. Now uy is ws into sy plus wt into ty, which is equal to ws into sy is minus 1 and ty is minus 1. So this is minus ws minus wt. Okay, now actually we have to find the partial derivatives uxx, uxy and uyy. Okay, so uxx is partial derivative of ux with respect to x. So from this we can write first ws into derivative of 1 minus sin x, that is uh, minus cos x, plus 1 minus sin x into derivative of ws with respect to x. So this is wss into sx plus wst into dx. Okay, minus from this we have minus wt into derivative of 1 plus sin x, that is cos x, then minus minus 1 plus sin x into derivative of wt with respect to x. So wts sx plus wtt tx. Okay, now replacing this sx and tx, we get this is minus cos x ws uh, plus 1 minus sin x into sx is 1 minus sin x, so here is 1 minus sin x into wss plus tx is minus of 1 plus sin x, so minus 1 plus sin x into wst minus uh, cos x into wt uh, minus 1 plus sin x into sx into wts, so 1 minus sin x into wts tx into wt, so this is minus into 1 plus sin x into wtt, so which is equal to, you can take this 1 minus sin x into w, so wss into 1 minus sin x whole square, so we can write 1 minus sin x whole square into wss minus into this, so plus from this we get 1 plus sin x whole square into wtt. Now we have this term and this term, so here is 1 minus sin x into 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x, so 1 square minus sin square is cos square, so negative cos square. Here also 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x, here also negative cos square, right? So minus 2 cos square into wts, and also we have this term, so minus cos x into ws plus wt, ws plus wt. Okay, so this is uxx. Now uyy is we have uy is this, so derivative of this with respect to y, so which is negative of derivative of ws with respect to y is wsssy plus wsttty. Now minus derivative of wt, that is wts sy minus wtt ty. Now we can replace sy and ty. Sy and ty are minus 1. Okay, we have sy and ty are minus 1, so here we get minus 1 and minus 1, so wss plus wst plus wst plus wtt, so we get wss plus 2 wst plus wtt, since sy equal to ty equal to minus 1. Okay, so we have this uyy. Now we have to find uxy. This is partial derivative of dou by dou y of ux. Ux was this ws into sx, so this is 1 minus sin x into ws minus 1 plus sin x into wt, so that is 1 minus sin x into ws minus 1 plus sin x into wt. So we have to differentiate this with respect to y. So this is equal to uh, we are differentiating with respect to y, so these are constants, so we can take outside 1 minus sin w, so sin x into partial derivative of ws with respect to y, so we can write wss sy minus plus wst ty. Now from this minus 1 plus sin x into partial derivative of wt with respect to y, which is wts sy plus wtt ty. Now we have sy and ty are minus 1, so this can be written as 1 minus sin x into minus wss minus wst minus 1 plus sin x into minus wts minus wtt. So this is equal to wss into 1 minus sin x minus 1, right? So from this we get sin x minus 1 into wss. So from wtt, coefficient of wtt is 1 plus sin x plus 1 plus sin x into wtt. Now coefficient of wst is, here is sin x minus 1 and here is sin x plus 1. So we have wst into, from this we have sin x minus 1 and from this term we have 1 plus sin x. So this is nothing but 2x into wst. So this is equal to sin x minus 1 into wss plus 1 plus sin x, or sin x plus 1 into wtt plus 2 sin x into wst. So we have this uxy. Okay. Now we can replace these partial derivatives in the given equation number 1. Our given equation was uxx minus 2 into sin x into uxy minus cos square x into uyy minus cos x into uy equal to 0. This was our first equation. So we are replacing these partial derivatives here. So we have uxx is this. This is our uxx. This is uy, and uyy is this, and uxy is this. Okay. So we are replacing this equation, these partial derivatives. We get first uxx. Uxx is nothing but 1 minus sin x whole square into wss plus 1 plus sin x whole square wtt minus 2 cos square x wts or wst minus cos x into ws plus wt. This was our uxx minus 2 sin x into uxy is this. So sin x minus 1 into wss plus 1 minus sin x into wtt plus 2 sin x into wst. This is uxy minus cos square x into uyy minus cos square x into uyy is wss plus 2wst plus wtt minus cos x into uy minus cos x into uy was minus ws minus wt, okay, which is equal to 0. So from this, taking wss outside, we get the coefficient of wss is 1 minus sin x whole square. Here minus 2 into sin x into minus 1. So here is minus 2 sin x into sin x minus 1, and here minus cos square x plus wtt into coefficient of wtt is 1 plus sin x whole square. Then from here we have minus 2 sin x into 1 plus sin x. From third wtt minus cos x square x, and the coefficient of wst is nothing but wst is this minus 2 cos square x. From this we have minus 4 sin square x, and here minus 2 cos square x, plus coefficient of this, that is minus. Then we have here is minus cos x into ws plus wt. Here is plus cos x into ws plus wt. So we can cancel these terms, so which is equal to 0. This implies we get wss into expanding this 1 plus sin square x minus 2 sin x. Here is minus 2 sin square x plus 2 sin x minus cos square x plus wtt into expanding this we get 1 plus sin square x plus 2 sin x minus 2 sin x minus 2 sin square x minus cos square x plus wst into minus 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square x is minus 4 cos square x. So minus 4 into cos square x plus sin square x, taking minus 4 outside, which is equal to 0. So that implies this is minus 4 wst. Here is 1 minus 2 sin x plus 2 sin x cancelled, and minus sin square minus minus 2 sin square, so minus sin square minus cos square, so minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So the coefficient of wss is 0, and here also minus 2 sin x minus 2 x sin x cancelled, and minus 2 sin square plus sin square is minus sin square minus cos square, so minus sin square plus minus cos square is minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So this also 0, and here is minus 4. So from this we get minus 4 wst equal to 0. So this implies wst equal to 0. Okay. So our question was the canonical form is so that the has the form wst equal to 0. So it's proved. Okay. Now we have to find the general solution of the given equation. This is our given equation. Now which is the canonical form we obtained is this. Number test 2, which is the required canonical form. This canonical form is actually it is a simpler form than the given equation. So to find the solution of this equation, we can find the general solution of this equation integrating equation number 2, integrating to with respect to partially with respect to t, we get ws is equal to a function of s. Now integrating again with respect to s, integrating with respect to s, we get w equal to integral f of s ds plus a constant of integration which may be a function of s, function of t, right? Because we are integrating with respect to s, so the constant of integration may be a function of t. So this can be written as some f of s plus g of t, that is w of s comma t, the solution which is the general solution of this given equation. This canonical form. So the general solution of the canonical form is nothing but WST equal to f of s plus g of t. Therefore, the general solution of the given equation 1 is just replacing s and t here. We get u of xt equal to f of s. What was our s? S is equal to cos x plus x minus y t equal to cos x minus y minus y. So we can write this as the general solution of the given PDE as f of s plus g of t. So f of s is nothing but f of cos x plus x minus y plus g of t. T can be written as t is we have t equal to cos x minus y. So this is the general solution of the given PDE. So the important thing here is that to solve our differential equation, our given differential equation, this we just convert this into the canonical form. This okay, and we solved this equation canonical form. It is simpler than this given equation. So we convert this into canonical form and solve this equation to get the solution of the given equation.